Hey guys, Kwame here. This is a video showing some new functionality that we're going to be bringing to the Quake Chain. We've been working on some agentic MCP work, and we'll start off with something like let's create a text file and write hello Quake Chain, if I could spell. All right, so we're going to run this and we'll see this pop up. So this is actually running the actual command from the terminal server that we have in the background in this area here, but it's kind of like its own contained thing. So I'll allow this to run once. This is actually autonomously using my computer to basically do this. It's pretty sick. So I'm going to go into the Finder after this is completed. Okay, so this has been created. And now I can go into where the MCP client servers and workspaces. So this will be in the workspace, and we have this hello text here. And if I just bring that to Video Studio Code, you can see hello Quake Chain. So that is step one. Step two, this is the cool part. I'm just going to get myself set up so that I can actually just gonna get this set up so I can actually see it. I just want to make sure that I'm kind of like prepared to view this on chain. And I'll just take this stuff out here as well. Okay, so we're just at the Nebula Gaming HUD Testnet Explorer. And what I'm going to do here first is that I'm going to actually transfer some tokens. I have a script already here, and I basically just need to get this running. Okay, and now we're at the prompt. So we don't have any kind of like visual thing for it yet, but that will come soon. So the first thing I'm going to do is basically transfer some tokens. These are voxel tokens, and currently in Way, we'll clean this up. And this is just basically going to create a prompt that transfers tokens from the account that is connected to this example to another account. And I will hit enter. The LLM is being initiated. And you can see here that this was sent. I'll copy this. I'll go over to our Explorer and search that. And you can see that this transaction basically just went through 17 seconds ago. And that's part one. Now, if we scroll up here, we'll see that we can actually, generate a token. So I'm just going to deploy a token. I don't need to generate one. Let's deploy one. And I'm going to name this something cool. Oops. I'll just name a cool token, symbol cool. That's fine. I'll just use the example, and then I'll hit enter. You can see that this is basically like a factory, in the sense that it's one set code base, and then it will allow a user to deploy the token. So you can see here that there's no compilation changes because it's just using a default ERC20 token. The deployer is this account that's connected. and where it's deployed to. And we can take this transaction hash, and I'll bring over this again. We'll search for that transaction and see 33 seconds ago, cool token was deployed, 500,000 tokens. Yeah, so we have basically agents that you can communicate with, deploy tokens. We're also going to add the ability for these agents to make trades on Uniswap v2, v3, and this will be coming to Quake later this year. Talk to you soon.